I'm here to advance myself and my skill set, really here to learn a lot and to make new friends and connections with people I can use in the field.
I love the hands-on experience.
Love working on cars.
I was always interested in it.
It's always just been a really big passion of mine.
There's a lot of different jobs that come in.
Learn new techniques and learn new technology and just ways to advance.
I've loved it. I'd highly recommend it.
My favorite part of the program is probably the electrical program. The amperage, the volts, everything is just a cool concept to me how electricity flows, so I love it.
I do like to get more into depth on how to actually work on the cars. I like that we get actual good scenarios of what a mechanic would experience or encounter in the real world.
I've loved the program, and I can go into the field and pursue that career.
It's just really fun. If you do have even a small interest in it, I'd say give it a try. Everyone here is really nice, really patient, so if you don't know something, all you have to do is ask.
I love the people, the program itself, the opportunity it gives the kids and just to learn and evolve in their trade. It's just an amazing program, honestly. I love it, and I love that it's accessible to me and all these other kids in here just for no cost, just to go and have fun and just learn.